An elegant and beautiful charcuterie spread is the perfect addition to any party or celebration. It's easy to put together and you need just a few essentials. First things first, you'll want a beautiful wooden cutting board. Today I'll be using this olive tree cutting board I picked up at Home Goods. It's inexpensive and it's perfect for cheese spreads. And I like to start out my spread with the dried goods first, so I have some thinly sliced French baguette, whole wheat crackers, and cranberry crisps. And next I'm going to add my sweet spread, so I like to have an assortment of honey, jams, and jellies. For the cheese, you want to go with at least 3 to 4 different types of cheeses. That way you have a variety of flavors and textures. Today I'm using breakfast brie, blue cheese, aged white cheddar, and smoked Gouda. After the cheese, it's time for the cured meats, and I like to use a variety of cured meats just like with the cheeses. That way you have some different textures and flavors. Some recommendations for the board: dry salami, dry coppa, ham, and prosciutto. I also like to have some crunchy, refreshing snacks on the charcuterie board, so I'm going to add some sliced watermelon radish, and this radish is so delicious. I'm also going to be adding some olives and some pickles. Mixed nuts are always a great addition to any charcuterie board. I just like to add a few handfuls here and there, and in addition to some salty, refreshing snacks, I want to make sure that I have some sweet ones as well. So it's time for the fruit. I'm going to be adding some strawberries, raspberries, and even some pomegranate. And that's it. Your guests are ready to enjoy your charcuterie board. Make sure to place it somewhere that's accessible for everybody. I like to put mine on my kitchen island. That way my guests can walk around, grab a little bit of snacks, drink some wine, and enjoy the evening.